Alright guys, so real quick, we're just going to talk about the differences in the processes of surface cleaning that I did today. If you'll notice and paid attention for the entire video, this front piece of sidewalk, what we did is we pre-treated it when we did the front, we pre-treated it after we rinsed the front. We pre-treated it when we dragged our hose back around the side, and we pre-treated it a fourth time, basically as we were just working on the driveway. The reason we did that, we had a lot of organic growth right here. We had a lot of easy surfaces that we wanted to spend some time on and really get as clean as possible. But most importantly, we wanted to actually treat the dirt instead of just removing all the surface staining. By comparison, the sidewalk that is closer to the street side, we didn't lay any treatment down. The only thing that we did is basically lay our surface cleaner on it, let it do its job, and it still did a really nice job making it look clean. If you just look at our after pictures, they both look pretty natural. They both look almost identical as far as our cleaning process goes. The difference is on our sidewalk that is right next to the house, all of the spores that were here growing algae, all the organic bacteria that was sitting here just basically growing for all the years in between cleanings, that is completely treated on this side. By comparison, the sidewalk that's on the street, it didn't have any sodium hypochlorite hit it, which means that even though it looks clean on the surface, it didn't actually have any deep penetrating clean to it. That means, in theory, 6 months from now, this surface is still going to look clean. That surface is going to start to look dirty again. Fast forward about a year, this surface is still going to look relatively clean. That surface will probably look exactly the same as it did today before we started our process. What we're demonstrating here is the difference between giving something a surface clean and giving something a deep treated clean. The difference can be likened to basically washing your hands. You can take your hands, run them through water, you'll feel clean afterwards. But if you don't use soap, you're not actually killing anything, you're not actually removing anything from the pores of your skin. It's the same process. Right here, we use soap to get everything cleaner, and it looks better, it's going to stay cleaner longer. By comparison, no soap, just pressure, looks clean, it's not going to stay clean nearly as long. So, just some differences. We'll follow up with that in about 6 months from now, just so you can follow the difference between the two sidewalks. But you can see the differences in how easy one was to clean versus the other. This one was nice and soapy. Everything came a little cleaner, rinsed a little faster. That one, by comparison, again, just water, still did a decent job, but it's only a surface cleaning.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.